2, 3, go. Alright everyone, welcome to homework 9. I'm going to start going over the problems right now. I'm just going to cut to the chase. Okay, so the first problem, 2.7-1, we are asked to find the strain energy of the bar. Okay, so let's see here, let me get the right color. Okay, so starting out with the strain energy, we have the general equation from the book. I'm just gonna simplify that just a little bit more. And we're gonna say strain energy is P squared L over 2EA. Okay, so that's just another equation they have in the book. P being force, which is what they have right here. All right, so the strategy, as we've done in previous problems, is we're going to be kind of breaking up this figure right here into different sections, right? So we've got each section where there's a force that's going to change your entire problem, right? So you start in this section, we can consider this as just being able to feel force from P, right? But the second we get into here, into this section right here, we're feeling this P force and this 3P, right? So obviously the 3P is going to push more that way. So this section is going to feel a 2P force. And then this last little bit, we have a 5P pulling in that direction. So we're going to have another 3P going that way. So I'm gonna, so we have all of those, and then you add them up, right? So let me write this out. That's 3P, 2P, and then just a P, right? So that's each section. So I'm gonna write this out where you're taking this formula and basically you're substituting, because the only thing, well, the thing that changes is gonna be our length and then our force in this equation. The cross-section A is the same and modulus is the same. It's the same material. Okay, so if we write this out, we're going to have is equal to 3P squared over L. We're going to have the 6 on the bottom. A. We're just going to keep it in variables. We have a 2P squared, and that's the whole thing squared. You have a that's for the middle section. So I've kept everything so that we have a common denominator. So obviously multiply this thing by 3, the L over 2 by 3, 2EA. Okay, plus, and then this last section, P squared, and then this is, to get the common denominator, divide top and bottom by 2, so that's 2L over 2EA over 6. And then, if we go about simplifying that, let's see here, we're going to get a 9 squared L over 12EA. I'm just going to write this real fast. 12E squared L over 12EA plus 2P squared L over 12EA. Obviously, there's lots of ways of simplifying this, but when you simplify this, add them all together, the common denominators, you get 23P squared L over 12EA. Okay, and that's going to be what they're looking for in this first part. Okay, so now let's keep on going, and we're going to move on to question B. Okay, so question B just picks up from part A, and it says, okay, the 23P squared L over 12EA, and it asks, okay, plug it in. That's pretty straightforward. That is going to be equal to 23, 10 to the third squared. It's 52 over 12 times 10.4 times 10 to the 6 times 2.76. All right, using a calculator, magic math, we get 25.